Mm-hmm. No, just in me and Raphael. Good. I'll tell you more though because there's a lot of people here. We might go to Britannia and just play baseball. Do you want to come to Britannia and play baseball with me, Raphael, and Jaden? Do you have a baseball glove? Oh, okay. Oh, can I call you back later, Isaac? Okay? I'll call you back later. Okay, peace. After, we can go and wash our hands. Oh, you want paper? You want paper? Okay. Hold on. Daddy will get paper for you. Just lick it. Lick it. Yeah. That's the best way. Just lick it. Good boy.